make the best oatmeal your family has ever eaten. And let's do it right now. All right, we're gonna start by boiling 8 cups of water. Then we'll need 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. I like buying Bob's Red Mill. There's a lot of other decent ones on the market too, but this one's like a decent price for old-fashioned oats, and they're great ingredients too, so yeah. So we want 4 cups of oatmeal. All right, here's our 4th. It was on high, but we're gonna turn the heat down to at least 4. Stir it, let it simmer. Add a little bit of salt to the water. So we want to let this cook on the stove for at least 10 minutes on lower heat than obviously what we were boiling water on. All right, while it's cooking, I'm going to show you all my favorite ingredients that I love putting in my family's oatmeal. They're filled with vitamins and nutrients, minerals. They're just all out good for us. So yeah, let's check them out. I love adding hemp seed hearts. Organic chia seeds are awesome and super full of nutrition. My kids are big strawberry lovers, so those will always be added. They love pretty much any berries, so apples too. Cut up apples, cut up bananas, super good. Let's give this a quick stir. Definitely starting to look done. Only a few more minutes left. Love having raw honey in there as well. Moringa is one of my favorite things to put in there. Just high in nutrients. A lot of really great things in moringa. It's an awesome plant. Nutritional yeast too. It's good for the gut, helps with digestion, helps tummies feel a little bit better. Good old-fashioned oats, they're such an easy, nutritious breakfast. Like, I feel like people always go for the quick stuff, like the quick oats. Not that there's anything, super wrong with them, but they're just not as nutritious as the old-fashioned ones. I know they take longer to prepare, but it's not like you gotta bust out a big kettle over a fire and stir them for an hour, guys. Come on. All right, one more stir. We're just about done. Now, I'm going to add the chia seeds to the oatmeal. It kind of helps since it's already warm and we're stirring it in there and letting them sit in there for a minute. Nobody notices some chia seeds have literally no flavor whatsoever, so it's kind of nice. So if you have picky kids, just don't tell them you put them in there. And if they're wondering what the little black things are, just tell them it's part of the oatmeal, All right, we added our chia seeds. We're just gonna stir them. Sorry, I had to put you down for a minute. It's really hard to stir with one hand. All right, it's done. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're gonna drop some honey in there. Some moringa, nutritional yeast, hemp seed hearts, and some yummy strawberries. That looks delicious. Are you excited about the oatmeal, Superman?
Yes.
All right, we're trying it. Blowing it off first. I'm in the window, if you guys can hear the wind. That was good. All right, guys, I'll check you later. Remember what I said, don't be afraid of old-fashioned oats. They're not that hard to cook. They're really easy, and the kids will like them, trust me. All right, see you later.